guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo, and today I think we're going to be going to the, well, no, we're not going to the beach. We are going to the beach, but we're taking a surfing lesson. My mom's considering signing some of my siblings up, and I'm going because I want to learn how to surf. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Say hi! Hey guys, so we went back for day 2 of surfing, but as you can see, hopefully I got a few of those clips. There wasn't very many waves today. The waves were pretty tiny, so we didn't really do any surfing. We just worked on our, what's it called? Paddling? I think it's called paddling. Yeah, but the clips before were on Saturday, and we did catch some small waves, and that was pretty fun. So it was a little unfortunate that we didn't get to get some waves today, but we did swim, and I just did my hair and everything. Honestly, the best thing about surfing was that the water in Jamaica, like the ocean water, is so warm, so you can just like get in, and it's like, I mean, it's a little chilly, like a little when you initially get in, but once you're like in there, it feels so nice and warm. So we had no problem getting in the ocean and just swimming around for a little while, then practicing paddling on the surfboards. And yeah, I had a ton of fun. I definitely think that surfing is gonna be like my new hobby, because they were like, oh, you're a natural, and I guess my mom didn't even expect us to like stand up on the surfboards. But yeah, I think I'm gonna probably keep this video rolling for a couple more days, just because I feel like if I end it here, that'll be kind of short, and it's like a 3-minute video of like us basically not really doing anything. Yeah, but today's Sunday, so maybe I'll do like a short like couple days in my life, or maybe I'll go all the way till Friday or something. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, stay tuned and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm here with Lanes, she's clapping. Lanes! Carlene! She's looking out the window. But, there she goes. Say hi! Yay! Okay, she doesn't want to clap. We're sitting here at Sovereign, which is like, Sovereign Center, I think that's what it's called. That's what it's called, right, Illy?
Sovereign Center. Yes.
Yeah, Sovereign Center, which is basically like the only actual mall that you will find in pretty much all of Jamaica. We really only have like strip malls, so this
Like
is actually,
outlets.
Like outlets, yeah. So this is the only like mall there is. We're not going inside because my mom's just picking up a package from the mail place. But me and Illy are about to go to our favorite place to get drinks at. It's called Hicha. It's a boba tea place. It's like the only boba tea place that I can find. They have so many different kinds of, okay, there Carlene goes. So many different kinds of drinks. My favorite is Thai tea, and I'm probably gonna be able to take you guys there. I wanted to take you guys there for so long, but I never really have a chance. And I always like start filming, but I never finish. So today we're actually gonna finish the filming part, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process and what I get. And yeah, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Isha.
Hi, can I have a large Thai tea bubble tea? With
Sorry,
no
tapioca finish.
there's no tapioca?
No.
Alright, no problem. Can I have it with no ice though?
No ice,
No ice.
but cold, right?
Okay guys, so that was Hicha. My favorite place, basically my favorite place to go. They didn't have any tapioca today, which is really weird. They usually always have tapioca, so definitely like if you're coming over here and you're expecting there to be tapioca, there probably will be. There just wasn't this time out of like, I don't know how many times I've come here. But I got a Thai tea. Here it is. And Illy got a strawberry milk tea. That was her first time getting it. What does it taste like, Illy? Do you like it?
It tastes good.
There you go, it tastes good.
And we didn't get anything for our mother, but it's fine.
Mom didn't get anything.
Mom's
We didn't know what to
salty.
get her. And she doesn't like tapioca, and I didn't think about it after they said they didn't have it to get her something. So that's my fault, but we're gonna get sushi now. And if you guys want to come to Hicha, this is in the, what plaza is this called?
Ligony Plaza.
Yeah, the Ligony Plaza in Ligony next to Sovereign Center, and it's at the back next to the grocery store. So if you guys are looking for it, definitely come here. I 100% recommend. They have really good drinks, and now we're off to get sushi.
Closed on Monday.
Wow. What do we do now?
Closed on Monday.
Leans is sad.
I'm
Mom's sad. Leans, how do you feel?
Bad.
So, as you guys could see, the sushi place was closed. We're really sad about it because we really wanted sushi, and they have really good stuff. But unfortunately, it's closed. We'll have to go another day. So we're probably just gonna go home, or maybe figure out something else that we can pick up to eat. I don't know. Stay tuned. So right now we're at the grocery store in the Super Value Town Center. I always forget the name. I'm like so bad with names during this video, but like I know where everything is. I know where Sovereign is. I know where Hicha is. And I was just like, where's that? But I know where these places are. Anyways, we're at what we call the Bougie Super Value. I'm sitting in the car with my little sister because she's sleeping, and my mom and Illy went into the store because they're getting a few things before we go home. So yeah, we're gonna go home and sit in the car until I get back to the house, and yeah. My video, Noe.
Hi.
Hey guys, so I'm home now. I got home a while ago actually, but I didn't film it because we had stuff to get out of the car and I had to get the baby. But we had like an interesting dinner. We had like we were gonna do like a sushi thing since we couldn't get sushi at the restaurant, but it was more like poke bowl. Yeah, it was a lot like poke bowl. And I didn't film it because I really kind of just had like I molded a rice bowl and then like put fish in it with cucumber on top. It was pretty lame, so I was like, I don't want to film this. But hopefully we'll get some good footage tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing yet. What I do know is that it's like 2 a.m. and I'm watching RuPaul's Drag Race. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go to bed soon. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I just wanted to say something before I once again leave you guys for the night. Don't mind my sheet on the window, by the way. I have to get some curtains. But yeah, I realize I don't do as much of kind of sitting here and like talking about things. I want to know if you guys prefer for me to do more talking in front of the camera, or do you prefer like the scenery shots and to see what I'm actually doing, or like a mixture of both? Because I feel like my recent videos have been a whole lot of oh, look at this scenery, or look at what I'm like having and eating, versus like me actually like talking to you guys and like having like a conversation, because this feels like a conversation for me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And now I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just got back to my house. We went to the grocery store to get some stuff to make tacos, and I got the carrot cake from the bakery that we went to. It's super good. Before that, I had to go to my little sister's doctor's appointment, Carlene's doctor's appointment, and that went really well. They said she's healthy, which is good. I forgot to start filming when I woke up, or like a little after I woke up, and I promise I'm gonna get better with like picking up the camera a little more to show what's going on, because I realize I don't do it enough. Like last time I think I spoke, it was like 2 a.m. and now it's like 7 p.m. so I need to get better on that, but I'm definitely working on it. And yeah, we're gonna be making some tacos. Hey guys, good morning to all of you. I did my eyebrows today. Could be a little better, but now they don't look like caterpillars on my forehead. Yeah, but I was just watching some YouTube and painting this morning. I was watching one of my favorite travel bloggers. Yeah, painting is kind of something that I picked up during quarantine, like back in August, and I just got this little book and some paint supplies here in Jamaica, and I've just been painting. It's been like my new hobby, and it's really fun. It helps pass the time, and it's another creative outlet. So yeah, I love it. But right now I'm gonna go to a meeting with my mom, but I have a meeting later, so I'm gonna bring my laptop because it's a Zoom meeting, and we're going to Cafe Blue, so let's get going. Okay, I just realized that my camera flips my face. That's annoying. Now I realize why I was filming some of my videos on Snapchat. Anyways, we ended up getting Jamaican apples, like you saw in my previous clip, from a guy on the road, and they were so good. Oh my god, I love Jamaican apples. I explained the taste kind of like a pear. Just not as bitter as pears can be. They're usually pretty sweet, but the texture is definitely pear-like. As far as the surfing, hopefully when I go back and like edit my video, I have some good clips and have some interesting information to say. We learned a lot about surfing before we actually got in the water, which was really good because I didn't know anything about it and I was a little nervous, but not too nervous. I could swim, so it was easy. They were like, oh, you're natural, which I was very flattered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm literally crossing my fingers that I got some good footage because I've really been trying to film more consistently and film more videos for you guys. I kind of just had to get used to it, honestly, throughout the pandemic. And not gonna lie, I was kind of discouraged from filming like early last year. And then when the pandemic hit, I was like, no, I don't really want to film. It was really awkward. I felt like because everybody's wearing masks, they would like look at me more because I was holding a camera. But yeah, what I did want to tell you guys in the beginning of my videos, I didn't really tell you who I am. So I wanted to say, hi, I'm Jo. I'm a photographer. If you made it to this part in the video, I am so thankful and so grateful that you watched it till the end. It makes my heart so warm. I'm currently seeking women who are aspiring models here in Jamaica who may want to do some portrait shoots or some photo shoots. I have some project ideas, and honestly, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to hit me up on Instagram or on Twitter, whichever one is your forte. Comment in my comment section so I can figure out how to correspond with you, because I'm really looking to do this hopefully soon. And if you are interested, we can discuss the details of what the project's going to entail and what I'm actually thinking. So definitely, if you're an aspiring model, a woman, please, over the age of 18 preferably, please don't hesitate to send me a message on Instagram or on Twitter or comment on this video. Now we're at the end. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I hope it was interesting, that it was intriguing, and that you guys just had a good time watching. I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.